Let's start. Antonyms tutorial number 1. Question number 1. Antonyms of brazen. A. Bashful. B. Boisterous. C. Noisy. D. Heated. Question number 2. Antonyms of awe. A. Boru. B. Shallow. C. Low. D. Contempt. Question number 3. Antonyms of impecunious. A. Wealthy. B. Cautious. C. Hungry. D. Tardy. Question number 4. Antonyms of quiescent. A. Lackadaisical. B. Active. C. Dull. D. Prescient. Question number 5. Antonyms of dearth. A. Lack. B. Poverty. C. Abundance. D. Foreign. Question number 6. Antonyms of peaked. A. Tired. B. Arrogant. C. Pointy. D. Ruddy. Question number 7. Antonyms of gainsay. A. Regret. B. Own. C. Prudent. D. Prude. Question number 8. Antonyms of penurious. A. Generous. B. Lenient. C. Injurious. D. Relaxed. Question number 9. Antonyms of impervious. A. Kind. B. Disastrous. C. Prone. D. Perfect. Question number 10. Antonyms of bemuse. A. Depress. B. Inspire. C. Clarify. D. Desire. Question number 11. Antonyms of accelerate. A. Delay. B. Risk. C. Monitor. D. Deny. Question number 12. Antonyms of earnest. A. Cheap. B. Frivolous. C. Release. D. Civilized. Question number 13. Antonyms of serene. A. Tranquil. B. Calm. C. Discouraged. D. Anxious. Question number 14. Antonyms of sloppy. A. Careful. B. Slapdash. C. Haphazard. D. Slovenly. Question number 15. Antonyms of meticulous. A. Fussy. B. Painstaking. C. Scrupulous. D. Sloppy. Question number 16. Antonyms of heartfelt. A. Loving. B. Insincere. C. Unhealthy. D. Heartly. Question number 17. Antonyms of perspicacious. A. Sagacious. B. Discerning. C. Astute. D. Dull.
Question number 18. Antonyms of astute. A. Shrewd. B. Discerning. C. Canny. D. Stupid. Question number 19. Antonyms of incur. A. Attract. B. Invite. C. Earn. D. Avoid. Question number 20. Antonyms of provoke. A. Arouse. B. Induce. C. Evoke. D. Allay. Question number 21. Antonyms of dismantle. A. B. Raise. C. Outclass. D. Build. Question number 22. Antonyms of skeptical. A. Unconvinced. B. Scoffing. C. Certain. D. Reticent. Question number 23. Antonyms of celibate. A. Chaste. B. Ascetic. C. Monastic. D. Married. Question number 24. Antonyms of chaste. A. Shrewd. B. Talkative. C. Promiscuous. D. Aspirant. Question number 25. Antonyms of fallacy. A. Abandon. B. Blunder. C. Truth. D. Error. Question number 26. Antonyms of pessimistic. A. Hopeful. B. Devoted. C. Cheat. D. Defeatist. Question number 27. Antonyms of lenient. A. Easygoing. B. Long-suffering. C. Strict. D. Liberal. Question number 28. Antonyms of applicable. A. Irrelevant. B. Minimifidian. C. Incredulous. D. Cynical. Question number 29. Antonyms of brusque. A. Corrupt. B. Brash. C. Energetic. D. Courteous. Question number 30. Antonyms of pathological. A. Sick. B. Healthy. C. Chemicals. D. Selective. Question number 31. Antonyms of abridge. A. Subdue. B. Augment. C. Encourage. D. Elaborate. Question number 32. Antonyms of archetype. A. Origin. B. Copy. C. Generous. D. Factory. Question number 33. Antonyms of apathy. A. Sleep. B. Conclude. C. Zeal. D. None of these. Question number 35. Antonyms of adapt. A. Applaud. B. Unfit. C. Approve. D. None of these. Question number 35. Antonyms of erect. A. Repel. B. Demote. C. Expel. D. None of these. Question number 36. Antonyms of credulous. A. Respectful. B. Hardworking. C. Skeptical. D. Frugal. Question number 37. Antonyms of abate. A. Enhance. B. Foster. C. Augment. D. All of above. Question number 38. Antonyms of aberrant. A. Steadfast. B. Persistent. C. Devious. D. Both A and B. Question number 39. Antonyms of abject. A. Commendable. B. Exalted. C. Excellent. D. All of above. Question number 40. Antonyms of abjure. A. Espouse. B. Support. C. Both A and B. D. Disavow. Question number 41. Antonyms of abrogate. A. Enact. B. Institute. C. Both A and B. D. Revoke. Question number 42. Antonyms of absolve. A. Execute. B. Condemn. C. Both A and B. D. Exculpate. Question number 43. Antonyms of abstemious. A. Gluttonous. B. Greedy. C. Hungry. D. All of these. Question number 44. Antonyms of abstruse. A. Obvious. B. Lucid. C. Plain. D. All of these. Question number 45. Antonyms of accessible. A. Inaccessible. B. Limited. C. Restricted. D. All of these. Question number 46. Antonyms of accost. A. Avoid. B. Neglect. C. Scorn. D. All of these. Question number 47. Antonyms of acerbity. A. Sweetness. B. Mellowness. C. Mildness. D. All of these. Question number 48. Antonyms of paucity. A. Scarcity. B. Surplus. C. Presence. D. Shallow. Question number 49. Antonyms of hypocrisy. A. Doubt. B. Uprightness. C. Budensum. D. Budensum. Question number 50. Antonyms of wonerious. A. Light. B. Difficult. C. Perfensum. D. Fluent.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like our channel for more informative videos.